animals are part of our lives since ancient times as they provide us with many useful things. So let's start with chicken. Chickens are the most common birds on Earth. They are kept for their eggs and for their meat all over the world. Hens often live in groups in little houses called chicken coops. Chicken sound is called cluck. Cow. Cows are one of the most popular domesticated animals in many countries around the world. They like to eat plants and grass. Cows get used for various things like dairy, meat, and even leather. They produce 90% of the milk we use. Cow sound is known as moo. Duck. They are most adorable and friendly birds. Ducks eat grain, seeds, nuts, fruit, insects, water plants and even small fish. They live in groups called drafts or teams. Ducks can fly in the air, waddle on land, and they can swim in water. There aren't many animals that can do all that. Duck sound is known as quack. Sheep. Sheep are very intelligent and social animal. Sheep like to stay close to others in a group known as a herd, flock or mob. Sheep like to eat vegetation such as grass. Sheep are raised for a number of agricultural products including fleece and meat. Sheep sound is called baa. Horse. Horses are very social animals and they can recognize humans with their voice. They mostly eat hay and grasses and gather around in groups called herd. Horses are an ideal companion on farms. Large strong horses can help pull carriages and carts. They are also used to transport, travel and sports. Horse sound is called neigh. Turkey. Turkey are famous for Thanksgiving. They are fed nutritious feed, which usually consists of corn and soybean meal mixed with vitamins and supplements. Turkeys make a variety of different sounds such as purrs, gobble, yelps, and kikis. Goat. Goats are cute and cuddly animals, loved by children and adults alike. Goats are domesticated and are very useful to humans. Goats are picky eaters when compared to sheep, cows, and pigs. They are clean animals and tend to avoid eating anything bad. They eat lichens, shrubs, mosses, conifers and available grasses. Goats make the sound baa. Donkey. Donkey is hard-working animal and is used in many countries to carry materials, plow fields and draw up water. The donkey can handle the uneven ground of the mountains better than a horse. Like horses, donkeys eat grains and grass. Donkeys make a loud braying noise that goes on for several seconds. Camel. Camel are great farming animals and desert as can go for weeks without drinking water. They store fat in parts of their bodies known as humps. They are great for traveling in desert areas. They provide us with meat and milk. Camel milk is among the healthiest milk in the world. Camel voice is known as grunt. Let's talk about pet animals. There are many pet animals but most common pet is dog. Dogs are bestest friend of humans. They are very intelligent, loyal and energetic. Do you know that their sense of smell is 40 times greater than us? Along with their noses, their hearing is also super sensitive. Dog's house is called a kennel. Can you tell me what is the name of dog sound? Dog barks like this. Our next pet is cat. Cats are very cute. They love to play and sleep. Their house is called cattery. They like to hunt mice or rat. Can you tell me what is the sound of cat? Cat meows like this. Now let's talk about fish. Fish are popular pets. Some fish lives in fresh water and some live in salt water. Do you know that fish breathe through their gills and most fish don't have eyelids? Pet fish are kept in a glass tank called an aquarium. Let's talk about parrots. Most parrots live in tropical areas. Parrots are often brightly colored and are believed to be one of the most intelligent bird species. Most pet parrots live in cage. Can you tell what sound does parrots make? They squeak or talk. Our next pet is hamster. Hamsters have thick silky fur, short tails, small ears, short legs, wide feet and large eyes. They're very cute, and seem like good pets. They stay awake at night, playing, gnawing and making noise. Pet hamsters live in cage and they love to exercise. Do you know what is the sound of hamster? They squeak. Let's move on to our last pet, turtle. Turtle are the oldest reptile from over 200 years ago. They have a hard shell which helps keep them protected from attackers and the elements. The official name for their shell is a carapace. Turtles are known for their slow and steady movement, but as you probably know, slow and steady wins the race. Wild animals. Lion. Monkey. Elephant. Zebra. Cheetah. Bear. Snake. Shark. Hippopotamus. Squirrel. Seal. Raccoon. Jellyfish. Giraffe. Kangaroo. Deer. Octopus. Panda. Penguin. Ostrich. White fox. Eagle. Wolf. Tiger. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.